Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to do this arbitrage system and make lots of money for yourself. All you just need to do right now is to stick to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to make lots of money. Following this process, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make lots of money on this arbitrage process. So if you are in Ghana or you have a friend in Ghana, this will benefit you a lot because you will be able to make lots of money for yourself on a daily basis. So if you're joining for the first time, my name is Kelechi Logan Franklin. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategy. Once they work, I come here, I share them with you. You can also do the same and get the same result. If you're joining for the first time, all you just need to do right now is to subscribe to the channel and then turn on the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Don't forget to give this video a like. More people can also see this video and also benefit from it. Without wasting much time, the very first thing you need to do or understand is that you need to have a verified Binance account. And if you go to your profile at the top here, you need to make sure that your account is fully verified in order for you to get to whatever transaction you want to make effectively. And once your account is verified in this same profile aspect, all you just need to do is to go to the setting aspect. You go to the setting. Once you click on your setting, you need to change your payment currency to Ghana cedis. Here, you changing it to Ghana cedis will give you the opportunity to make transaction with Ghana cedis and you get the result you're looking for. All you just need to do is to go to the search bar, look for GHS, which is Ghana cedis, and then you go back to your process. So this will especially for those who verify their Binance account using Ghana passport and identity. So if your account is fully verified in Nigeria, all you just need to do is look for someone who is in Ghana in order for this particular process of arbitrage to work for you. Let me show you what I mean. So right now I've been able to change my payment currency to Ghana cedis. All I have to do is to go back, and once I go back to my dashboard, you will notice that my payment system here or deposit system here is now in Ghana cedis, and that simply means that I can be able to make transaction. But since I'm in Nigeria, it will not work effectively for me. But for those individuals who fully verify account with Ghana passport and all of that, this will work for them because you can be able to use your card to make payments. So the next thing you need to do right now is to come to this your more aspect here. You go to this more aspect here. You need to go and check the transaction aspect, which gives you the opportunity to buy crypto. Right now I'm going to be choosing buy crypto, and I will click on it. Once I click on it, it will bring me to the next page where I have to choose the kind of crypto I want to buy. And once I come to here, I'll just put it on USDT, which is a currency that can be able to allow me to make all transactions that I want. Now this is USDT. All I have to do is to put in the amount of USDT that I want to buy. Let me say I want to buy 2,000 Ghana cedis. It is worth of USDT. Now as you can see here, 2,000 Ghana cedis will give me 187.066 USDT. And in order for me to continue, you need to take note of all of these things. It will give me 187.66, and you can make payment using your card if you are in Ghana. Right now, because I'm in Nigeria, my settings and everything is still in Nigeria. As you can see here, they say pay with my card. But if you have verified your account using the Ghana card, all you just need to see is that it will give you the option for you to use your Momo account to make transaction. And this is quite easy. Using the Momo account will give you the option for you to make a transaction, and then you get your USDT directly to your wallet. But since I am in Nigeria, as you know, here in Nigeria, our card has been restricted from making online payment, especially when it comes to crypto and all of those things. Our government have been able to ban us from making use of these particular cards that we have here in Nigeria. So that's why I said if you have a friend in Ghana, all you just need to do right now is to contact them to help you to get this fund and then send it across to you, and then you make your transaction and get your profit. So the next thing I have to do right now is to know how much this particular 2,000 Ghana cedis is in Naira. So let me just check that immediately. And once I've been able to check it, I'll be able to go to peer-to-peer to see how much I'll be able to be making with this particular transaction. So first of all, let me know how much this particular 2,000 Ghana cedis will give me in Naira. And as you can see guys, 2,000 Ghana cedis here in Nigeria will give me 84,107 Naira 49 kobo. All I have to do is to copy this particular stuff. Let me just copy it and then go back to my notepad. And this is it on my notepad. And as you can see here, 2,000 Ghana cedis will give us 84,107 Naira 49 kobo, and which is equivalent to 187.66 USDT. Right now, let me say that I have been able to purchase this. All I have to do right now is to go to my Binance P2P in order to see how much this 187.66 will give me as a profit. So all I have to do is to go to Binance to sell this on P2P so that I can be able to see whether it is profitable or not, so that I can be able to know whether I can proceed or not. So let's go to my Binance P2P again so that we can be able to see how much profit I will be able to be making from this particular transaction. Now once I come to my P2P aspect, so I'll go to the sell aspect and I want to sell this USD, and as you can see here, USDT right now is at 728 naira 41 kobo. So all I have to do right now is to filter it so that I can be able to make my transaction. Let me say that I'm looking for people who the amount of currency from 60,000 naira. Let me say from 60,000 naira, and I want to make a bank transfer. All I have to do is to filter it so that I can be able to see the merchants who have a trade on this amount. So, and as you can see right now, these are individuals who have that amount. All I have to do right now is to decide to sell this particular crypto. So all I have to do is to click on this first one right here. Now put in the quantity of USDT that I want to sell, and I want to sell 187.66, and as you can see here, 187.66 will give me 136,518 naira 90 kobo. 136,000. Then put it on my notepad, and as you can see guys, it will be able to give us this 136,518 naira 90 kobo. That is to say that we'll be making a lot of profit here. So let me be able to check this transaction with our calculator. Remember that we bought at 84,107 naira 49 kobo. So let me just go to my calculator and then do this calculation together with you guys so that you can be able to see that you'll be making a lot of profit. And as you can see guys, if you calculate it, you will see that 136,518 naira 90 kobo minus 4,107 naira 49 kobo gives us a profit of 52,411 naira 41 kobo. That's to say that we will be on a massive profit in this particular transaction. That is why I said if you have a friend in Ghana or you verify your account in Ghana, you'll be able to see that you're making a lot of profit on this particular transaction. That is to say that if it is possible for you to contact someone in Ghana to help you to purchase USDT and then you refund the person some money, you'll be able to make a lot of profit. And if you do this on a regular basis, you do 3 times or 2 times of this on a daily basis, you'll be able to see that you're making a lot of money for yourself. This is a strategy that you can be able to do, and it's new. All you just need to do is to jump into it and get started and make a lot of money for yourself. So don't miss out in this particular arbitrage process in which I just showed you right now, and you'll be able to see that you make a lot of money for yourself. If you got value and you appreciate this particular video, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are joining me for the first time or you have not subscribed, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that whenever I drop arbitrage videos like this and educational videos like this too, YouTube will always notify you that I have been able to drop videos like this. Probably in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to use the Momo account to get Ghana CDs and all of that. So stick to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss that particular video. As I see you on my next video, stay safe. I love you all. Peace.